Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your AI ML Queen. So this will be our first video in this channel. Let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. So here, I'm going to make a simple chatbot using OpenAI within 10 minutes. Okay? We don't need 10 minutes, just a few minutes. Okay. So before that, you have to go to the OpenAI API session and you have to generate a new API key. So let me create a new one, chatbot demo, create secret key. Okay, just copy this. I'll paste it here. Fine. Then we have to import OpenAI from. Okay, then we have to pass the API key here, OpenAI, and here API underscore key equals, we can copy paste this one. Okay, then yeah, print hi, welcome to AI ML Queen Bot. Also you can type quit to exit. Okay, this will be our just introduction message. Then we have to give a loop here while true. Then we have to read a user input, right? So user underscore input equal, we can use the input function u. Just type your message there, right? Then if user input dot lower equals quit, we have to break from the loop, right? If not, we can go here, response equals client dot chat dot completions dot create. We have to pass the models. Okay, we have to pass the model and we have to pass the messages. So model equals, we are using GPT 4o mini version. Then we can pass the messages equals. Here we can pass the role system and the content is you are a helpful chatbot. Okay, we can close this. Again, we can pass another role, that is user, and the content will be our user input. Okay, user input. There are two users here. One, the chatbot, another one is a normal user. Chatbot versus me, right? Okay, then bracket. Then we have to give the response, or we have to replace the board, right? Or board have to reply us, right? So board reply equal to response dot choices of index 0 dot message dot content. They are using the OpenAI API for OpenAI model to give reply. Then print, we have to print the chatbot reply, chatbot bot reply. Okay. Oops. Where? Okay, sorry. Here we got an extra thing. Okay. So, hi, welcome to AI ML Queen Board. Type quit to exit. First of all, let me test this. Hi. What's the error? Let me check. Invalid value for the content string. Okay. Let me check. 1 second. Here is the issue. Client.chat.completions dot create. We pass the model. That's error. Okay, here something is fishy here. Role is the system, and the content is your helpful chatbot. Okay. Again, role is our user, and the content spelling issue. Hi. Yeah. How can I assist today? What is Python? Just wait for a few seconds. See, Python is high level interpreted programming language. Okay. So, oops, sorry. What is what is dynamically typed? Okay, we got the result. This is a message. This is the reply. See, they are using the OpenAI model, right? So before that, you have to install this thing in our system. If you already installed the OpenAI, there is no issues. You have to install this. Okay, pip install. I already installed it in my system. I forgot to tell that OpenAI. Okay, we have to stop this now. It's running. So just type quit. So it got stopped. So first you have to install the OpenAI and you have to take the API key. Then you can use this code to generate a simple chatbot using OpenAI and Python. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.